I have a confession to make. Us Asian nail tech, when we speak in our language in front of the clients, sometimes we speak about the clients. Is it good or is it bad? It all depends on the clients. If you are a good client, a ride or die kind of client, loyal to the salon, you raise your kid in the nail salon, we like family. You don't mind we speak in our language. If anything, we speak very highly of you, sharing everybody that, oh, this client right here, she's like family. Now, if you want them client who is picky, naughty, and you would like to run out of the salon after service for no damn reason, we gonna share with auntie and uncles too. That, hey, we got a runner. You better watch out. Lock the door. Lock the restroom. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, you cannot expect us Asian nail tech not to speak our language in our nail salon. Because we need to communicate among each other. Because there's some auntie and uncles, they don't speak good English. So we have to translate to get that service going for the client. Because at the end of the day, all the clients care about is, can I get my toes done? It's dry and crusty. Can I just get it done, please? So that's why y'all just gotta let us do us. You be the clients that we expect you to be, a good one. And we love you long time. And I speak highly of you in our language.